Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Discord and completing sign-in. Do that now. Once done, verify your email or phone so servers accept you and enable 2FA for security. Make sure app permissions are granted for mic and notifications so voice and alerts work. Next, open the app, tap the three-line menu, and familiarize yourself with Home, Friends, and Server List. This gets you from zero to ready quickly and prevents access issues later. You now join or create servers. Tap the plus, paste an invite, or pick a template. Once inside, learn channels. Text channels hold messages and files. Voice channels start live audio. Threads keep focused side conversations tidy. Use the pin and search icons to find messages quickly, and long press a user to DM, mute, or view profile. For ownership tasks, open server settings to set roles and permissions so members see only what you intend. You're at final setup. Test voice by joining a voice channel and checking input meter. Choose push-to-talk for noisy environments or voice activity for convenience. Enable noise suppression and echo cancellation for clarity. Make sure camera and screen share work by starting a video or share session. Grant permissions when prompted. If audio or video fails, restart the app, confirm iOS permissions, disable low power mode, and toggle use of cellular data. These steps fix most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.